大家好，这里是百味厨娘。油条从来都是我们平时。
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
再用刮刀或者专用的滚轮刀切也可以，把长方形面皮给它切成宽度相同的长条。全部切好以后，把两个长条叠在一起。用筷子在中间按压下去，不要压断，让它们联合在一起。最后用筷子在两头的位置也压一下，打出一个花来。这样一个油条的生坯就做好了。剩下的咱们都按这个方法都把生坯做好。下面我们拿出烤盘，在上面铺上一层油纸，防止油条发生粘连。再把做好的油条生坯全都给它摆放到上面，再盖上一块棉布，把油条坯子醒发有原来的2倍大。30分钟后，油条生坯已经明显变胖了好多，说明醒发的还不错哦。我们把它们做最后的加工吧。 我们把做好的油条生坯放进烤箱里面，盖上烤箱门，上下烤同时加热，190度烤16分钟。好了，时间差不多了，我们打开烤箱看，和面包一样外皮金黄的家常油条就做好了。这样做的油条根本没有用到油，也没有明矾那些添加剂，家人吃着安心，我们看着放心。这次有了烤箱油条的做法，我们再也不用去外面吃那些不干净的油炸的油条了。好了，今天的视频就分享到这里了。喜欢的朋友就点赞、收藏、关注我吧，我们下期视频再见。